All right, guys, I am here. I am at Home Depot, guys. Man, I got a small problem at the house, guys. So I took my mechanic clothes off, right? I'm no longer JT the mechanic. At least right now I'm not. I'm now JT the homeowner or the carpenter. Does this make me a carpenter? Saying that I'm finna do what it is I'm about to do. I don't know if this makes me a carpenter, but I'm something like a carpenter. I was a plumber last month, guys. Damn, I still haven't did that footage yet. Hey,
Bring the car up.
still haven't did that footage yet. Oh my goodness, I don't have my mask. Okay, the problem I'm having, guys. See, here I am. I'm gonna get in here and start looking at tools. This is not the purpose of me being in here, but while I'm in here, let me see what's going on. I already got most of this. It's a kick. That's a monster. Okay, JT, stay focused. I didn't come here for this. Now, what I'm doing, where's the, looks like it might be down here. Okay, guys, problem I'm having is, I went home the other day. Let me tell y'all what I seen. I saw a squirrel on top of the roof, right? Now, that's nothing out of the ordinary. Typical squirrel. Jump out of the tree, land on your roof. Nothing spectacular about that, right? But here's the crazy thing that freaked me out about this squirrel. He just disappeared, right? I'm not saying he jumped off the roof or jumped back into the tree. No, he went into a crevices in the house, on the roof. So, and I got up there and got a closer look, guys. There's a hole in the corner section of my roof that they done scratched their way into. So now they have an entry port to my freaking roof. Do y'all hear me? Guys, that is a no-no, okay? So when I went up there and got a close, I see his little head peeking out, right? Under the roof part. And he just went back in there like he got a house in there. Like he just living there. Like he don't pay no half on the rent or mortgage or nothing. He just living. Just living. I'm sure he done went back and got some of his boys, some of his homies. And they all just having a ball up there. Every now and then, guys, we do hear some scratching on the rooftop. Okay, that has to be where it's coming from. So what I want to do now, this is the dangerous, risky part about this. Sure, you can put some food, some rat poison out there. He eat it, he die. But the problem with that, guys, if he eat it, I can put the rat food on top of the roof. Sure, he gonna come out for some fresh air. He gonna see the food. He gonna go get it. He gonna munch on it. 3 days later, his heart gonna give out. He's gonna die. Now, here's the danger in that. Let me go to a break right quick, guys. When I come back, we're gonna talk about this some more because this is crazy. Stay tuned. I'll be back. Okay, guys. Listen, guys. Rat poison is not the answer because when this rat or squirrel, I'm sure rat poison would kill squirrels. They pretty much in the same family, at least I guess. Now, think about this for a second, guys. The squirrel eat the rat food. He go back into the house, and 2 days later, his organs give out. He died. All right? Yes, he died. Now, that means he died in your house, in your possession. You know what that means? That is a body. That was once a living creature, guys. So it's going to decay. It's going to smell. It's going to smell foul. And women, I mean, some guys will just let it just foul out. Just foul until it's no longer fouling no more. But that would draw even more creatures. So we got to get it out of the house and then dispose of it. So what I'm going to do, like I said, I think squirrels and rat pretty much in the same family. I'm going to set this on top of the roof, guys. Put little traces of cheese leading up to this. Put some cheese right here, guys. As soon as he eat it, wow. Now, can he escape this? Squirrels are not small. In fact, I need a bigger trap. This is too small. I'm going to find me a bigger trap. But I'm hoping, the thinking is, guys, he grabbed the cheese and he get caught. And he can't move anymore, so he stay on top of the roof until he dies or until I can get up there. I need a BB gun. That's what I need. I got to go to Walmart and find me a nice pellet gun because I can't keep climbing up the ladder just to get up there. But I'm going to climb up the ladder to set my trap. And like I said, put some cheese leading up to it. Y'all know how a rat trap work. You're gonna grab the cheese out of him. Bam! So maybe it'll. I sound cruel, don't I? It's animal to cruelty, man. People love. There's some animals lovers out there, even squirrel lovers out there. I'm not trying to offend y'all, but I don't want him in my house. See, he was cool with me until he bombarded his way into my house, guys. So now this means war. It's either me or the squirrel. One of us got to go. Last thing I want, guys, let me tell y'all my fear, my biggest fear. Because women don't play by stuff like this. They'll go behind your back and get this done. If that squirrel, if I go the original route, which feed it some poison and it die up there, a woman will refuse to come home until that squirrel gone. Or until that smell gone. And in order for the smell to get gone, the dead squirrel gonna have to be gone. So you're gonna be up there in your own roof trying to hunt down a dead squirrel. Because I'm no different than any other guy. We do everything possible to save money, even if it means we going up there to get it. I cannot fix my hand to dial a plumber. No, it's not a plumber. Dial some animal pest control to go and pay him to go up in my roof and do something I can do. That's how guys are. That's a no-no for certain guys, and I'm one of them. You know, I've just always been that way. I do everything myself. I installed a toilet the other day. That's like the third toilet I ever installed in my life. But I just hate paying people to do something that I think I know how to do. So guys, it's the plan. I'm gonna go with my original plan. And think about this, I don't know if it's one. I'm gonna get 2 of these. Ain't but $2. So now, set the trap, guys. Again, one of us has to go. It's either me or the squirrel. And personally, I like where I stay, at least for now. That means, ladies and gentlemen, the squirrel has to go find somewhere else to live, or he will be disposed of properly. Okay, guys, that's it. I just had to vent. I'm at Home Depot. I really want to go back over here and look at some old Milwaukee tools, even though I know I ain't gonna buy none. Just something about mechanics and tools, whether they need them or not. They just want to see if there's something in here I don't have. Of course there will always be something in a store that you don't have. That don't mean you need to get it. Alright, guys, I'm going to the line. I don't want to be talking on this camera while I'm in the line. Self-checkout. So what I'm going to do is get off the camera and the mic and proceed to self-checkout. Alright. See if I can pull this out, guys. I can overhaul the transmission, but I don't know if I can self-check myself out. Same one, so I can do this twice. Hey, I pulled it off, guys. Yeah, I'm pretty sharp. Alright, guys, that's it. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video.